Hi friends, welcome to Style Time. So today we will know how to get rid from this blackness in our underarms. First of all, we will clean our underarms, however it may be, which suits your skin. After cleaning, we will start our procedure. First, we will use multani mitti. 2 tablespoons of multani mitti you have to take. This helps your skin to be lightened. So after that we are here, I am not using any baking soda or lemon. Baking soda will affect your skin because in underarms our skin will be very light, very sensitive actually. So next I am taking 2 tablespoon of potato juice. So we will take the potato juice as we required because we have to make a paste of multani mitti and potato juice. So after making a paste, we will add little bit pinch of turmeric in it. So after that our paste is ready. So first we will apply for our underarms. This paste works as a miracle for our underarms. You have to make like a paste and apply to the skin. After applying you have to leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it will be dry like this. After drying like scrubber you have to remove it. After removing you have to wash it. Potato is also a lightening agent. So both works tremendous in our underarms. So our underarms will be, if you use 2 to 3 times you will get 100% result. This will be very helpful video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.